This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting directly to the 4G router, wired or on the main Wi-Fi, not a guest SSID. Once connected, open your browser and navigate to the router IP, typically 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1 so you reach the admin console. Log in with the current admin username and password. If you don't know them, check the router label or documentation. This step gets you into the settings page where security and password options are located. Once logged in, navigate to Administration, System, or Security. Menu labels differ by vendor, so scan the top or side menus for account settings. Find the Change Password or Admin Password section. Read any on-screen strength guidance to ensure complexity. Enter your existing password, then type a new strong password twice to confirm. Aim for at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols to resist brute force. Save or apply the change. And note that some routers will prompt for re-authentication. After you apply the new admin password, the router may reboot. Allow it to complete and wait until LEDs return to normal. Then, re-authenticate using the new password to confirm the change took effect. Make sure you can access Wi-Fi and settings. If you cannot log in, resist guessing repeatedly. Instead, use the factory reset pinhole to restore defaults, then reconfigure credentials and Wi-Fi. If problems persist, document the model and error. Then contact support with those details for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.